There it is. Curry chicken. See, I see. There it is. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So right now I have some chicken here, leg quarters, and I'm gonna take off the skin. Trim up that. So there you go, I took the skin off and everything, clean out the bones. Chop those up into bite-sized pieces in the joint. And then the leg, or the drum, I'm gonna cut that in half. Press down, slice, so get that. For the thigh now, break that down the middle. So cut this in about 6 pieces each quarter. So there we go. So for each leg quarter, I get 6 pieces from them. And I'm gonna wash them with some lime juice. Add a bit of vinegar on top. There we go. Add some water to that. And then we're gonna wash those. So here I have some onion, scallion, some thyme, some garlic, and 2 thumb-sized pieces of ginger. I'm gonna add all of that now to my wash and clean chicken. I'm gonna go into a few cuts of scotch bonnet pepper or to your spice tolerance. Some all-purpose seasoning over that. And I'm using here 4 pounds of chicken leg quarters. I'm gonna add some more all-purpose here. So we're going to go into about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. We're going to add some black pepper in, about a teaspoon. So even though we have onion and garlic in, we're still going to go into some garlic powder, a tablespoon. And a tablespoon of onion powder. Last but not least, some curry powder. We're going to go into about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. We're going to add some olive oil. Then we're going to go in and massage all of this goodness in. Yeah, put on a gloves if you have to, because you don't know me now on my hand. Curry up, you know. What's up, my son? What's up, my son? Yeah. That's the chicken. We're going to add that in a pot right away. You can let this marinate, you know. We're going to cook right away, right? Alright, so we're going to kickstart the curry now. We're going to add some oil in this pot. About just enough to cover the base of your pot. Once the oil is heated, we're going to add about a tablespoon of the curry powder and we're going to toast it. In Jamaica, we call this burning the curry. I hope all this chicken can fit in this one pot, you know. When it starts to come to a slight smoke point, that's how we're going to add the curry in, the chicken in. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to go in with my chicken pieces now. Holy. think I'm gonna cook all of this, you know. Yeah, man. This 4 to 5 pound of chicken, I don't think I'm gonna cook all of this. I won't be cooking all of this chicken here. Leave this place. Stop. What? Go on. Stop by to my place. Go on, boy, business. Pot are too small, you know what I'm saying? So I won't be cooking all of this chicken. I'm gonna leave some of the chicken. Just stir that up. This is enough. I just put too much. Some are gonna cook before some of them mash up. I don't want that. I'm gonna cover this and allow it to produce its own liquid on medium heat. Check that out. That's all liquid produced. You're gonna add some water to cover the pieces with all that seasoning from before. Give that a stir. Then we're gonna cook that for about 15 minutes before we add in some potatoes and carrots, right? Alright, we're just gonna add this to the curry. Potatoes in. Season that up with a little black pepper. Gonna go into a little bit of all-purpose seasoning because mine needs it. About a teaspoon and a half. Mix that up. We're gonna allow these now to just soften. And once these are softened, then we can add the carrots in last. If you want to put some sweet peppers in, you can if that's something that you like. There we go. And I'm just gonna add that roti right on there. There it is. The roti and the curry chicken. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.